In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Remitly to send money. We'll go through the process from opening your account to completing a transfer in a simple and easy-to-follow way. If you're new to money transfer apps, don't worry. Just take your time with each screen and make sure the details you enter are correct before moving forward. To begin, open your Remitly account. If you've already signed in, you'll be taken to the main screen. Once you're there, look at the country shown at the top of the app or website. This is important because Remitly needs to know where you're sending the money. Click on that country field and select the specific destination country for your transfer. Always double-check this part, because the available delivery options and transfer details can vary depending on the country you choose. After selecting the country, click on Send Money. This will start the transfer process and take you to the next set of options. At this stage, if the recipient's contact is already saved in your account, you can simply click on their name to continue. This is the fastest option if you've sent money to them before. If their contact is not saved yet, click New Contact and then select their country. Make sure the recipient's country matches the destination you selected earlier so there are no issues with the transfer. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, Remitly will usually show you the exchange rate, and in many cases, the amount the recipient is expected to receive. This is a good moment to review the numbers carefully, so you understand exactly what's being sent. Once the amount is entered, choose the delivery method. The options available may depend on the recipient's country, and each method can have different delivery times, so select the one that best fits your needs. After that, select your payment method. This is how you'll pay for the transfer. When you're ready, click Continue. You'll then be prompted to enter the recipient's account details. Be especially careful here, since accurate account information is essential for the money to arrive correctly. Finally, follow the prompts on your screen to review and complete the transfer. Before confirming, it's always a good idea to check the recipient details, amount, and delivery method one last time. Once everything looks correct, submit the transfer and wait for the confirmation. And that's how to use Remitly to send money quickly and correctly.